See here, so we given formula is greater than 10. Greater than 10 means we don't have that value. We don't have that greater than 10 value. So that is the way it is showing 0, 0. Wherever we have, okay, greater than 10, it is showing 1. Okay, you can see values. Okay, just observe it. Okay, you can see. Based on our formula, it is behaving like that. Okay. And next we'll go for no constant, constant value. Here I will go, I will keep it normal. So again, I will keep it normal. Okay. And okay, let me remove this. Let me remove this. Remove. And I will make it add the field. And what is this? LFIMG. Okay. Just I'm doing it direct assignment, not formula. Okay. Direct assignment. Okay, fine. And activating it. Back to back again. Okay. So this is how we will do all mappings in the transformation level in the BW4 HANA. Okay. Now you can go back. Okay. Now you can remove this field. So that is why it is not showing all the fields. And now direct constant. Example, I'm selecting this. Okay. I'm selecting calendar day. Okay. Now you can see what you do. Rule type, I'm selecting constant. So add what I need to add and go to here. You can see constant 12, 22, 25. So do you need to keep any other date as well? Yeah, I'll keep 21. Okay, instead of that one. And I'm activating. Okay, I'm activating. For see here, only calendar day. For calendar day, I keeping 12, 21 constant. Total how many records are there, bro? 69 records are there. For 69 records, it will display the same record. Okay? That is constant. See here. See here, constant. Same 21 only it will display. It is not mapped source. Okay, we just manipulating. And now I will delete the request. I already deleted. Okay. I will go back to DTP. Okay. And now we need to execute it. Click here and execute it. So now data will travel to BW4HANA ADSO and I'm refreshing it. You can go utilities and execute. Now you can see here, what is the calendar day? This is only right calendar day. So we didn't map calendar month and calendar year. I mapped only calendar day. I didn't map it. This is I given only constant, bro. 2112. You can see all the records, you can see 2112 only. 2112 only you can see it. Yeah. So yeah, understood, right? This calendar day. And also I will do it like no this calendar year also I will keep it 2025. Then you will come to know what is the constant. Okay, here we need to select this one. Okay, just to remove problems. And now what you do, just change this your rule type. What is constant? So I'm trying to make it constant. Go to edit. You can keep it. Is this calendar month or calendar year? So I want to do it calendar year only, not this one. Okay, calendar year. I'll change constant. Okay, what is the year? I will give 2024, okay, calendar year. And validating. Okay, activate it. If you have any errors, it will throw here. No, I don't have any errors. Warning 8 and information 9. So now again we need to load here and we need to drop data. Then we'll come to know. Go here and you can refresh it. Now you can see calendar day is still constant, and now you can see calendar year also constant, bro. See, I given 2024. Okay, this is actually wrong, okay? So we need to give 2025. Based on this calendar, we need to give 2025. So constant means only one value. Whatever you given that value only, it will come to all the columns. So real time will keep like no fiscal variant. In the real time, which field you will make it like we have a one field, fisc variant. Okay. For this field, you will give the K4 fiscal variant. Sometimes you can give V3 as well. Sometimes people will give who are working on Australian project. They will give V6, V3 and K4. Okay. For US, Europe, we can give this value. Okay. This is for Indian projects, V3 will give. Okay. Indian projects will give V3. Okay. Clear. These are the constants we will use like no Australia project V6. Okay. For Australia projects will give for Australia projects will give V6. So like this we can whatever value you want to make it as a constant, then you can use this formula. Use this no update. There is a what is the option here? You can click on here. What is this? Constant only. Constant means only one value will come. Even if you have 1 lakh records, even 10 lakh record also, for 10 lakh record, you will display constant. Clear? And what are the values here? Here, what are the transformation rule types will come? Time, okay, formula, lookup, constant, routine, no update. Okay, fine. Now we saw it, right? Constant and all. And now we can go to other field. Row cancel is there, example. So in the row cancel level, we saw it, direct assignment and formula you saw it now. Constant and routine and no formula. And routine, how we will write it? And we'll see. Example, routine will go there. Okay. KOSTA, right? What is the field here? KOSTA. What is there? KOSTA. See here, KOSTA. Where we will process only C values. I don't want to process other than this. Okay. Just see it. Okay. Third record, fourth record blank. I don't want to load it. Okay. I want to load only C values. Okay. How many values are there? Total six, right? You can go there, and we don't want to see A values as well. A values as well. And blank values. Only want to see C values. How we will write the code? We'll see here. And which value? What is the field name? KOSTA picking status, right? Okay. Now I'm going to keep it like no routine. Okay, I'm going to keep it routine. How will write the code? I'm going to here save and open. So here we need to write the code. Okay. Okay. Fine. Here we need to write the code. What is that code? Okay. Instead of writing this code, I'll go for, okay, I'll go for normal web code. Okay. Okay, I will go to normal. Okay, general. I'll go general. Okay, I'll keep it not HANA. I'll keep it ABAP. Okay, I'll switch to ABAP. Okay. My organization. Okay, let me delete this option because we already kept this code. Right click and delete the role. Okay, I'm deleting this rule. KOSTA. After this, we'll change it. Activate it. Okay, activated. Now I'll switch to ABAP. Now it will change, okay? Now, if you want to write any code, start routine, end routine, or field level routine, you can write it. But we are going for field level routine. I don't see any field level routine. And here we need to go field level routine where KOSTA, right? And yeah, here, see, basically, like, no, I already clicked on KOSTA, but I don't see it, right? See, I clicked on this. When that moment you need to remove these problems. Now I can able to see it. Now here I will select the routine. Okay. Once you write, okay, edit the routine here. Edit the routine and save open. Okay, now we came to our code. Okay, now we came to our code. Where exactly? See here. Here we have it. Okay. What we will do? Okay, I will write code here. Okay. Delete. Mm, mhm. Sorry. No. We need to process only C values, right? And KOSTA, right? Okay. If hmm, where is the field? Okay. I will do one more thing. Let it be. Fine. Okay. I will go here. Okay. And I will do one thing. Okay. I didn't map it. Let me map as well. Okay. Even though we need to map it. Add field. Even the routine also we need to map it. KOSTA. Okay. We missed that. We need to map it. But routine only still. Yeah, I'll go edit. And again we'll go to the same code. Wherever we written. And if you don't know, and you can go and search in the Google. And you can go to here. Okay. I wanted to write field level routine for KOSTA in SAP BW information level to process only C values. I don't want to process null values and ARB values to the target. Need to write, need to write, need to write above, need to write above logic for failure. V11, okay. So it will give automatically, okay. If you want to write, you can see system will give automatically code. Okay, now you can see uh, case source underscore fields KOSTA when C result equal to source. This is will work out. And now you can see and also other values ARP value space and execute blank. This is fine. Okay, this will work out. So like this you can write it. You can search also. Okay, like this you can search it. No need to worry about it. Okay, where is the code? Here we have written the code. Okay, remove this field. Remove this field. Here only we need to write it code. Sorry. That code we unable to copy, right? Case source underscore fields. Okay, now we can go to here and we need to write it like this. How we will write? I understood that code, okay? And we can go case, source underscore fields, KOSTA, okay, end case. Now we'll write when values C, right? We want to process only C values. And now when C, what will happen? That time result underscore real underscore fields. Sorry, result equal to fields. KOSTA. This is simple code, okay? And now other when others A, okay, R, B, okay, R, okay, now space when it is coming blank. At that time, what we need to give answer? Blank only. So if you give like this, blank only. Clear? When others. Okay, simple. So now I'm activating the code. Where is our activate? So check it. If you have any issues, it will throw. Okay, do you have any issue? ABAP syntax errors, M contains no errors. And activate it. So I'm activating this code. Okay, I activated code as well. And then close this one. Then close this one. We don't require. So now again we need to activate the transformation as well. Okay. Now you can see this is the KOSTA picking status. Now we need to activate this as well. Okay. Because still in gray color this transformation, we activated only ABAP code where we have written code. Simple line of code only. We written only case. Okay, when as well. Okay. I don't face any issues here. See, only warnings and informations and activate it. Okay, now what we need to do, next step, we need to execute the DTP, right? So I will go back. Remember this option, okay? Remember this option. So we don't want to see A values and blank values. We only want to see C values. Okay, go back and delete this request. Once you load, then we can see only C values. So based upon your requirement, you can write it like this code, okay? Go to DTP and execute it. Always you need to execute DTP only, bro. So we didn't discuss till now DTP. So when we are discussing DTP, then I will share you all the information about DTP as well. So DTP is also like no four types. Okay, we will discuss by tomorrow. Okay. Now we got only 23 records, bro, and you can go here and display new data and execute it. Now you can see there is a issue still, I think. Okay, null values are coming. Okay, but A values didn't receive. Okay, that means our routine is working, partially working, not completely working. So where we have blank values, so still it is keeping, say what we written code, understand it. What we written code, understand it. So go to here, transformation. Okay, here, okay, remove this. We'll go to the code. What you written the code? When you are finding A or B or blank values, then keep real underscore C only. Okay, that means that is the way it is keeping like no blank values. When you are finding A or B values or blank values, then it is making like no result underscore blank only. So if you want to give any value, for example, if you want to make it like B, okay, when you are identifying A or B or blank values, it will make it like no B value. So then see that also will see. So based on our requirement, it will work, okay. And again I will delete it. Again, I will delete it. Go back. So like this will work. Okay. Not a heavy code we are writing it. Okay. So how many rule types are there in the transformation? Direct assignment, constant, no transformation. That means we are not going to update. And constant, I mean K4 values, or if you want to give some particular date, it will come to all. Formula, we given the formula. And read master data, we'll see tomorrow. Okay. Routine, we written the ABAP logic. ABAP logic book. ABAP logic. Okay. So currently we are doing right. That is only ABAP logic. And let me activate it. Now we want to see only A, C values and B values, right? Where we having blank values are. So then we execute and we'll see. Now you can go and refresh it. And data load came and you can go and check it. Now the values. Okay. See here. We can see wherever we having blank value or A values, that is making up B. Okay, clear. We are having only 5 records. Clear? Okay, like this we can drop the data. Okay. Okay. So we'll connect tomorrow and okay, we'll discuss about this read master data by tomorrow. So if you have any issues, if you don't understand anything, tomorrow we'll discuss more about it. Clear? Last week, like no Friday, we discussed about BW on HANA transformations. Today we discussed BW4 HANA transformations. Okay, last week we discussed BW4 HANA, BW on HANA transformations. Today we discussed completely on BW4 HANA transformations. How we will develop transformations, all role types in BW4 HANA for today. Okay, don't confuse. Okay. Just go through these classes and we'll see if you face an issue.